So as you all know, what happened in last 1 year, pandemic was declared, first case was in the 2019, December 2019, then pandemic declared in March 2020. This series of outbreaks came. In the July, August, we have a large outbreak in the country. Now we have a vaccine. Since last 2 months, we are providing two types of vaccine, Covishield and Covaxin. Covishield is recombinant live vaccine and Covaxin is killed vaccine. Covaxin was in third phase when it was launched in India. Now GMC we are giving Covaxin only, and Covishield is all around the country. Now Covaxin has cleared the phase 3 trial, and they said, as per their data, they said it has 81% efficacy in the country. So now we have again suspecting the second wave. We have around 1,000 cases per day since last 1 week now. So most of the people are coming for vaccination since last week only. Before that, they were not aware of the vaccination, especially our GMC staff. So daily case trajectory, it was increasing in Maharashtra and Kerala, right? Maharashtra and Kerala since last 1 week. Yesterday it was 0 deaths in all over the country except in Maharashtra and Kerala. There were some deaths in Maharashtra and Kerala because of the COVID-19 infection or disease. So vaccine, two types of vaccines are there. Both of them are freeze liquid formulation. They do not need to reconstitute them, and the route of administration is intramuscularly. Dose is 0.5 ml, and there are two dose regime. First dose is primary, second is the booster after 28 days of primary dose. Then usually it is a multi-dose vial. For Covaxin it is 20 dose vial, and for Covishield it is a 10 dose vial. Temperature, as in India, for all the vaccines we store them in between 2 to 8 degrees centigrade. Now cumulative coverage report of COVID-19 vaccination. So this is beneficiary vaccinated in Maharashtra. So till 2nd March, it was around the first dose 10,63,000. In second dose is 1,70,000. Total dose is 12,37,000. In since last 3 days, when vaccination for more than 60 years and 45 to 59 years with comorbidity has been launched, we have vaccinated around 1,200 to 1,300 people since March 1st in GMC only with Covaxin. Out of them, around 80 to 85% of their first dose. Now phase 1 COVID, already we have started phase 1 is from 16 January 2021, which include healthcare workers and frontline workers. In our gym, how many of you take the COVID vaccine? Only 3 out of 7. So percentage is around, out of 8, though percentage is around 40%. But in our GMC, out of 5,500, only 1,700 or 1,800 have taken the Covaxin for the first dose. Right? So it is around 20 to 30% only. But now since last week, when as the cases are increasing, most of them coming for the vaccination. So phase 2, COVID 2 app launched since last 4 days, 1st of March. All healthcare workers and frontline workers, all citizens, those are 60 years and above, on 1st January 2022. All such citizens that are age 45 to 59 years on 1st January 2022, and with comorbidities. We have a comorbidity annexure in the COVID. They have included many more, around 10 to 15 type of various illnesses or diseases. If those person between age of 45 to 59, those fall within those illnesses, you can vaccinate them with the certificate only. Then this is the certificate. Actually, this is not the proper certificate. The certificate which was given by the Government of India in the COVID app, it includes various diseases which should be there if the person with if you want to vaccinate a person between age of 45 to 59 years. This is the normal certificate, but that certificate have the various diseases mentioned. These are the diseases. These are the various diseases which should be there if you want to vaccinate the person between 45 to 59 years. There are 20 different illnesses. Now, how to register on CoWIN app? You have to log. You have to open the CoWIN website, cowin.gov.in on your on the browser, or you can log in into. You can open the CoWIN app on the mobile phone, Android phone, or you can also log in through your Arogya Setu app. There you can select your area or district or state, right? After that, you can register for the vaccination center in your particular area. Then they will register you and allot you subsequently whenever the slot is available in your particular center. Likewise, we have a GMC, we have two sites, A and B, which 100 capacity of each center. Then for the out of 100, only 50% are 50% are there for online beneficiaries. Means if you register through this app, the 50 you can only 50% is 50 beneficiaries per site will be allotted for the particular day only. Rest 50 allotted in the subsequent slides, days. Rest remaining 50, that means out of the 100, 50 online, 50 they can come for the on-site registration. So vaccination process is registration, citizen registered with this mobile number and approved IDs. Approved IDs are all the government IDs like Aadhaar, PAN card, driving license and election card, voting card. They can register himself and others, max 3 for vaccination. At a time, they can register for a maximum 4 people with one mobile. You can register 4 people with one mobile number also, right? Then login, user access CoWIN citizen registration. User login with OTP from the registered mobile number. As soon as they register, they will get the message that they have registered in the CoWIN app. And subsequently, after some days or the same day, they will get the message for the site allotment. So this is the registration process is given here. You can go through the website. You can easily access the registration site. You can register yourself as well. बाकी सबने लिया है यहाँ पे, सिर्फ 3 लोगों ने लिया है यहाँ पे, right? Only 3 people have taken the vaccine, right? So you can still go to the vaccination site, that is 49 in your GMC, then get yourself vaccinated if you are still interested. As government said, it has 81% efficacy of Covaxin. So it is much more than the Covishield, which is they are saying around 70%. Right? 81% is much more. Still, 19% people can develop the COVID-19. That means 81% efficacy means it is not efficacious in 19% of the person. Right? So it is very easy process. You can go to the website cowin.gov.in, or you can log in into the Android version of the CoWIN app, or you can go through the Arogya Setu app, where you can just enter your credential and you can easily register yourself for vaccination. Subsequently, they will allot you for the particular site. So this type of message will come after registration, that you have registered, and they will schedule you the appointment. If the slot is available on the particular date, you will get the appointment for that particular date, right? If you want to get yourself vaccinated with Covaxin, you have to choose Covaxin, or you have to choose GMC Nagpur site only. Any other place you will get the Covishield vaccine. This difference is that Covishield is live recombinant vaccine, Covaxin is scaled. As far as EFI is concerned, Covaxin has around 10% of the adverse effects. Those are ranging from the mild body ache, malaise to mild fever, right? Fever ranging from 99 to 100. While Covishield, as far as Covishield concerned, around 15 to 20% people have developed a side effect which are slightly severe than the Covaxin. As it is a live vaccine recombinant vaccine, so side effects are slightly more than the killed vaccine. As I already told you, the efficacy is as per the government data. As this is the Indian vaccine, government is saying it has 81% efficacy, while 60 to 70% of that of Covishield. So you can book your appointment If you go through the site, you will get the particular step by step. You can book your appointment. Anyone want to book an appointment for the Covaxin? Anyone interested? No? You can directly come and get the vaccine if you don't want to go through this procedure. Then after successful appointment, you will get the notification and the particular and the PDF document that you have been site had been allocated to you for vaccination, and you can go to the particular site and show your appointment, and they will vaccinate you. So registered healthcare worker and frontline worker registered on CoWIN and not vaccinated, they can use allowed beneficiary feature. Means those who have registered on CoWIN app but not vaccinated, they can use allowed beneficiary feature on the CoWIN app. Partially vaccinated means they have received one dose. They can slot provided to allowed option in the app only. Then registered on CoWIN and fully vaccinated. Fully vaccination, no action is needed. Then unregistered, those who are not registered. We are all registered healthcare workers, but those who are not registered and not vaccinated, they have to enter your name, mobile number, type of beneficiary, subcategories. Then you have to show your photo ID and photo ID number. This is for the on-site registration. When you go to the site, if you are not registered, this all procedure you have to do at that particular site. You are not supposed to do it. The person who is concerned, person is there, that person will do this procedure for you. Then unregistered healthcare workers and frontline workers and partially vaccinated, backlog cases. जैसे अभी तुम लोग आ रहे हो, सब अपने जीएमसी के आ रहे हैं, 2 महीने तक कोई आया नहीं लेने के लिए, अभी सब आ रहे हैं, हमको वैक्सीन चाहिए, अभी के अभी चाहिए. तो उन लोगों के लिए फिर से सेम प्रोसीजर है. They have to bring their Aadhaar card or any particular ID, and we can register them on that particular CoWIN site. Following detail, so beneficiary will first be registered with the details. Following details of first dose will be captured. Date of first vaccination, then type of first vaccine, date and district of the first vaccination. Means if you have the particular person has taken the Covaxin, then the second dose should be Covaxin only. If the particular person has taken the Covishield, then that person should take the Covishield vaccine for the second dose only. Certificate for first dose will not be generated in such cases. We have after registration. We are not providing certificate. We are providing certificate for who have taken their second dose of vaccine. Right? We are giving them the certificate of final vaccination certificate. For partially vaccinated, we are not generating the certificate because of we are generating the certificate, but we are not giving them the copy because of the overload on our session site. So, get your COVID vaccine certificate. You can get your COVID vaccine certificate on this particular app. Most of the time, after you get vaccination, they will send you the message that with the link. After opening the link, you will get your particular certificate of your name. If you don't get the vaccine certificate on that particular link, or you don't get the link, then you can log in into your Arogya Setu app, DigiLocker app, or CoWIN app, and you will get your certificate. Right? Any question regarding this CoWIN app and COVID vaccination? Any questions? This simple procedure. You can log in into the CoWIN app and follow the particular link processes, and you will get yourself you can get the appointment for the vaccination in particular site. Any questions? Yes. As per the app, they are saying the 14 days after you get the negative result of the COVID. But we are saying that you should wait for at least 30 days, 28 days after the negative results. Yes. How many centers? There actually 11 centers are there as far as yesterday is concerned, but now they are increasing the centers. They are already started some private hospitals also. So at present around 20-25 centers must be there. But Covaxin, for Covaxin only one center in the Nagpur. Yes. Any other question? You can take within 4 weeks to 12 weeks. That means 28 days to 12 weeks, 3 months. It's not necessary to have to take the second dose on the 20th day only. You can come afterwards also. Any more question? Okay. So thank you.